How to auto invest and earn in Binance. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Binance, and today I'll guide you on how to auto invest in Binance. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and easy, so let me guide you through. Simply go ahead and open up your Binance and log into your account first. Then you want to head into the trade option that you'll find at the bottom of your screen at the middle. Once you tap on it, you will find converse spot margin buy sell option, and if there is auto invest option available, you should find it here. Now for that, you'll have to have certain account verified, and here as you can see I've verified, but I haven't started trading, so I don't have that particular option. However, you should be able to find the option there, or you can search in from more service. You can search for auto invest, and you can see here you can tap on it and go ahead. And now you can select the crypto that you want to auto invest on. So for suppose Bitcoin, you can tap on create, and then you can create the name of the plan, then coin allocation, then you can add coins if you want, enter in the investment amount, recurring cycle and time, and you can go ahead and create it, save it. So this is how you can auto invest in Binance. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave comments down below if you have any further issues.